People often come to me asking about the rules of dating. When should I call? Who should pay? Is it okay to ask where this is going? They're afraid of saying or doing the wrong thing because they think everyone else got the memo on how dating works. But they didn't. And here's the truth. There are no universal rules. Sure, some cultures still have structured courtship traditions, but those are fading fast. Social media, TV, and online dating have turned everything into a cultural mashup. Everyone's winging it, and they're pretending like they're not. Instead of trying to decode the rules, try this. Talk openly about what you expect, and ask him what he expects too. That kind of honesty clears the air and builds trust, something no script or dating hack can do. Here's why this approach works so well. When you're honest about what you want, you avoid the confusion that comes from assuming he's playing by the same rules. You get clarity from the beginning. It also helps you spot the kind of guy who tries to twist the rules to benefit himself. When you're upfront, it's much harder for someone like that to manipulate the situation, and maybe, most importantly, it saves you time. Instead of wasting energy on someone who's clearly not a match, you give yourself the chance to attract a man who genuinely respects your values and wants the same kind of connection that you do. So remember, dating isn't about following rules. It's about creating your own with someone who's willing to meet you halfway. And the next time you're feeling unsure, don't be afraid to say it. Be real, speak up, and let that honesty set the tone for something genuine. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference. Also, you can find the link in the description which references my full article on this topic.